This tutorial is on how to update your plugins. So first of all, a few things. Your plugins are going to have this red circle next to them with the number of plugins you need to update. Also, if you have any notices up here above the word dashboard that have this orange stripe to the left, those are things that are major edits and or updates. You might want to contact us to ask about those before you do those. But let's go into plugins. So I'm going to click on the word plugins on the menu on the left. So now that you're on the plugins page, you're going to look for any of the plugins that have this yellow bar beneath them. So I'm going to look and see, okay, I have 2 that need to be updated. Unfortunately, it doesn't tell you the release date. So general rule of thumb, what I do is I would jot down the 2 or however many I had that need to be updated. I would jot it down on a piece of paper, and I would wait 7 days, and then I would come in here and I would do the updates then, because you never know when the release date was. And typically speaking, if you update something the day it was released, there's typically bugs, and it might break things on your site or cause conflicts or problems. Within 7 days is probably safe to make the change or the update. So after 7 days go by, I come back in here, go into plugins, look for the specific ones, because maybe now I come back here, maybe now there's 4 plugins that need to be updated. So I look and see which one has the yellow bar, and it's been 7 days. So then I click the update now button because I know 7 days have gone by. And then I just make sure that this second box is checked off, not the top one, but the second one. And then I click the proceed with update, and it's updating. It takes a few seconds, and then I would proceed and go to the next one and do the same thing. Make sure just that is checked off and proceed with update. And now I'm all caught up to date unless I had more. And I typically do this once a month, so I wouldn't jot those down unless you want to, and then when you come back after a month has gone by, you can just check those off. But sometimes the version changes as well, so within a month you could have 2 separate updates for the same plugin. So say this one right here is 2.72, maybe the next update is 2.73, and then it goes within a month 2.75, and you wouldn't have known that if you didn't jot that information down as well. So I would just wait a month, come back, jot them down again, and then a week later come in and change all those out or update all those.